Hi viewers, welcome to my new video. Today I will discuss about CAD. What is CAD? CAD means computer aided design. CAD means computer aided design, or CAD refers to the use of computer software that supports the design process, or CAD refers to the use of computer software that supports the design process. The design process. The software helps us to create, modify, analyze, and enhance a design. The software helps us to create The software helps us to create, modify, analyze, and enhance a design. In other words, CAD is a software that helps us to design things. In other words, CAD is a software that helps us to design things. CAD refers to any use of computer to help in the design process. CAD refers to any use of software to help in the design process. CAD software replaces drafting by hand with an automated process. CAD software replaces drafting by hand with an automated process. That's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for new video.